He said, I remind him of a girl he once created in his mind, that I was his imagination come to life, except I had greater freedom. But maybe I'm defective, because the smile his statements gave me made me want to run far away from him. It's a long story, and I'm not sure where it begins or where it ends. All I know is that he's now caught somewhere in the middle of my mental breakdown. Let me break down a couple things for you. Most guys think it's all about the effort, but real men realize you need to put in time. They say, fall 8 times and get up 9, but I can't wake up from this nightmare of mine, that I'll have one flaw, but it'll be all you find. And I'll use this as my excuse to leave you, before you do the same to me, taking the few pieces of heart I got left. Stress? Something I got way too much of. So if you want to take something from me, you could take that, and I'll give it to you, freely, without even thinking. Now, if you can't handle it, then you can't really handle me. And if you can't handle me, then what are you even doing here? My biggest fear was growing up to find myself alone, but it's that same fear that makes me push people away. Because if you're going to leave, I'd rather you believe it's because I said so and not just because I wasn't good enough to keep you. So I keep you at bay, far away from my soon-to-be useless heart. It's got a beat so fine that it makes it hard to find, so I can take my time when I'm falling in love. See, I'm not afraid of falling in love. I'm afraid of you falling out.